Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, stock market or real estate, which one builds wealth faster? And if you're looking to grow your money, choose the right investment is the key. So today we'll break down all the pros, cons, and the key differences between the two wealthy state wealth building strategies. Starting from stock market, as we have all have heard about the stock market, what really is it? It is basically a fast and accessible way to grow your wealth. Historically, the S&P 500 has an average of 8 to 10% of annual returns, and the stocks are easy to buy, require low upfront investment, and often compound growth over time. But they can be volatile when the market crashes and it just wipes out all the gains which you have earned in short term. Comparing stock market with the real estate, so real estate is basically it offers rental income, property appreciation, and tax benefits, while it requires more money upfront. And real estate investors can have leveraged loans to buy properties, increasing potential returns. The downside, it's less liquid, meaning it takes longer to sell and cash out compared to stocks. So if you'll ask my personal advice on which one is better and which one helps your investment to build faster, so if I'll compare, it depends. For stock, it grows quickly through compound interest and is great for long-term and passive investors. If you are one of those, definitely go for stock market. But in real estate, it builds wealth through rental incomes and leverage, making it ideal for cash flow and long-term appreciation. So, depending on person to person, these two things can vary. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.